Look, everyone chasing early deals knows the pain. Drowning in gatekeepers, endless rejections, and the same old investors who get it, but won't put real skin in the game. You sit there watching your startup burn precious time and cash, while the world moves fast without waiting for your permission. Meanwhile, capital screams for control, not for growth. It's brutal. The old way of angel investing is broken. It's stuck in outdated patterns that punish the scrappy founder and reward the insiders. You feel it in your gut, the frustration, the chokehold on opportunity. And it's not just you. Investors tired of losing deals to clunky processes, missing out on the next big thing because the deal flow is clogged, because the decisions are concentrated in too few hands. It's maddening. Now, here's where crowdsourced capital flips the entire script, and it's about damn time. Imagine unlocking a crowd of informed backers, not some faceless masses, but real people who want to back founders, who understand the value and risk, and who are hungry to fuel the early grind. Not just a few privileged angels deciding who gets what, but an ecosystem where capital flows faster, smarter, and more aligned than ever before. You can feel the potential tightening around you already, right? But it's not just about spreading the same old deal to more wallets. It's about breaking down the walls built by legacy structures that slow or kill bold moves. Listen closely, because this is where the real edge lies. Don't just chase more capital. Build the right connections inside that crowd. The power of crowdsourced capital isn't in numbers alone. It's in mixing smart money with street-smart insights. So don't just broadcast your pitch hoping to catch a stray check. Instead, curate the crowd you want. Engage investors who bring not only cash, but networks, expertise, and guts to push the project forward. Use data, feedback loops, and transparent mechanisms to tighten the fit between your vision and their willingness to back it. This isn't charity, it's a battle. Master that, and you win early deals on your terms. For investors bored with the status quo, crowdsourcing offers a way out. The chance to diversify risk across multiple opportunities while remaining actively involved. You get to see real-time traction, real community validation, and not just a pitch on a slide deck. But you need discipline. Don't get drunk on hype or crowd momentum alone. Get laser-focused on quality signals, traction metrics, founder resilience, community reaction, early adopter feedback, and move fast. Those who hesitate get crushed by speedsters who blend crowd wisdom with sharp judgment. Founders, hammer this into your mindset. Crowdsourced capital won't rescue your startup if you're lazy or unfocused. It demands you engage more deeply than ever. Tell the story that sticks, prove progress every week, open your books. Transparency isn't negotiable anymore. If you're not building that honest bridge, the crowd will spot the smoke and pull back faster than you can say, term sheet. Invest in building that trust muscle fiercely. And here's a brutal truth. You're not competing against other founders only. You're competing against old ideas about how investing should be done. Crowdsourced capital is already shifting power. It's putting founders and investors on more equal footing, forcing everyone to be smarter, faster, and more accountable. Resist it, and you're going to watch from the sidelines as others rewrite the rules and take the spoils. So here's the move. Founders, stop begging. Build your crowd like you build your product. Look for partners who challenge you, who add value beyond the check. Investors, don't just passively fund deals. Engage. Educate yourselves on this new flow. Sharpen your filters and your gut instincts in this data-rich, transparent environment. Together, demand better deal processes, demand speed without sacrificing rigor, demand relationships with real mutual value. This isn't casual capital anymore. It's battle-tested fuel for the next wave. The rules of early deals aren't just bending, they're cracking wide open. Either you grab this opportunity and run with it, or you get stuck complaining about how slow and unfair the game still is. The future belongs to those who learn to crowdsource capital smartly, connected, fast, ruthless, but fair. This is the new frontier. Own it. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and open the featured link to discover more.